from Regalii. We're from New York City, the second best city in the world after Singapore. I happen to be from Singapore, so it's really amazing to be back, because our company was able to grow in such a way that I can come back home, and it's great to work with, companies in Singapore. Do I have my slides? I don't think I can do the riffing thing, so I'm just gonna wait.
Why did you go to New York?
It's the Q&A. I went to New York because I thought Regalii was a good company.
And then you're here just for today, this presentation.
I'm here for this conference as well as the conference next week, 2020.
Sounds good. Here's your slide.
Thank you, Sai. Thanks, Sai. Round of applause for Sai. Okay, so we are the new standard for merchant issuer data. What does this mean? Okay, so to start off, as a sort of introduction to our company, we were founded in 2013 out of an incubator called Y Combinator in Silicon Valley. We moved to New York because most of our financial institution partners are based in New York, so it was convenient. We built a suite of products, and today I'm going to talk about Exchange. And we are present in 12 countries. So, to kind of preface, I want to establish some facts. Digital spend accounts for 40% of customers' card payments. And the thing is, you might have one card at one merchant, and you might have another card at one merchant. And it's so confusing. It's a problem that's causing something called false declines. And these digital errors have no way for customers as well as banks to manage. A card contains multiple layers of information. At the moment, any part of that information is not relayed to the bank, you get an error. This could be because the card number expired, maybe the card was deactivated because the user was issued a new card, the card might be lost and stolen, so the card number has changed. Or maybe the network's been migrated, so maybe the issuer went from Visa to MasterCard. And this causes a $118 billion problem. This number can be attributed to the fact that there's a lot of attrition. And we built a product called Exchange that initially addressed this problem, but we got a gamut of benefits that we didn't initially foresee. What we did is we created API integrations to seamlessly manage merchants that form the basis of digital spend. So we created relationships over our past 5 years of working through bill payment to kind of establish a new standard for merchant and issuer data. So this is a suggested UX flow that some of our merchants have been using. And basically, every time a new card is issued or we have a new card number, the customer can simply log in and create a real-time API relationship with the bank. This is sort of the way it can work. So the moment the user logs in and becomes, say, a Chase customer, he can go through all of this process, and Chase becomes the center of the financial life. It's a very simple process. We've engineered the API rails, so you just have to plug into us. Our Fintech partners take maybe a week to integrate with us. We can do that for you. It just depends on the ability to work. We work with 51% of the merchants presently in the US, so we're looking very actively at Asian merchants as well. The benefit is that digital spend occurs internationally, so a lot of the customers use international US-based merchants. And some of the pretty cool use cases, as I spoke, switching banks is a pretty interesting use case. So say you move from bank A to B and you've been issued a bank B card, you can simply have a way to manage all of your default forms of payment instantly and become top of wallet from day one. You can activate new cards, so say you've issued client A a new card, they need to spend $500 to be issued that card full time. We can provide the financial data that allows you to know that. We can get personal finance insights. So say you want to provide an additional value service to your customer. You want to know how much that customer is spending, what are their monthly liabilities, and be more than just a bank, but also a personal financial advisor. We can provide that data for you that can allow you to actually have that recommendation engine. So as I said, we are the industry's first merchant issuer data platform, and I look forward to speaking with all of you.